Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
This video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install eTrade app in your mobile device. For this, open Play Store and then you can search for the keyword eTrade in the search bar of Play Store. As you can see, there is a eTrade app in the search result. Simply click on it. Simply click on the install button. As you can see, the download process has started in my device. It needs some time for the installation. You just need to have some patience. Process is going to complete. Finally, the process is complete. The app is installed in my device. Let's check it out the app in the app section. And there it is. The app is installed and the task is complete. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.